If you've been injured in a car accident, getting medical care is crucial, and choosing the right doctor to provide that care is just as important. I'm Anna Burr with Burr Law. After an accident, one of the most important decisions you make is choosing the right doctor. The doctor you see not only impacts your health and recovery, but can also impact the recovery of your injury claim. First and foremost, you want to see a doctor who specializes in treating accident-related injuries. A family doctor might be great for routine care, but car accidents often cause injuries that need more specialized treatment. Chiropractors, orthopedists, neurologists, and physical therapists may all need to get involved to make sure you make as complete a recovery as possible. Second, it's important to choose a doctor who carefully documents your injuries and treatment plan. Insurance companies rely heavily on medical records to evaluate your claim. If your injuries aren't clearly recorded, the insurer may argue that they don't exist at all or that they're not as serious as they really are. Third, make sure your doctor understands the importance of consistent treatment. Gaps in your care or missed appointments can be used against you by the insurance company, even if you're still in pain. Finally, you want a doctor who communicates with both you and your attorney. When your medical team and your legal team work together, it helps ensure that your health is prioritized and your case is fully supported. Remember, after an accident, your health comes first. Choosing the right doctor can make all the difference in both your recovery and your case. If you've been injured and you need guidance on the next steps, call us at Burr Law. Whether it's finding the right medical provider or understanding the process, we're here to help. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next video.